This is very, 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 very exciting because I just got a delivery from TC Charton, which is an eyeglass company that I've worked with for many years. Actually, all of my sunglasses are TC Charton, and so are my actual glasses that I wear, even though I put them in a Ray-Ban case. Sorry, TC Charton. But anyway, they sent some glasses, but not just any glasses. These are frames that are, oh my God, that says Lynn. They're named after me. These frames are named after me. So these are the Lyns. And could they look any better on my face? I don't know why I won't put the box down while I open this. I'll put the box down. All right, so these are like a greenish, purplish color, if you can see. Oh, they're all like a little tortoise shelly. This one's really, really gorgeous. On the inside, it's like a pink or a lavender color, but you can't see that on the outside. The outside is more just a plain dark shade of gray, like a dark purplish gray. What would you call this? What would you call this? I really like these. Okay, maybe I will have to get a new pair of frames. Wow. These just look like they were built for me, which they absolutely were. Thank you so much to TC Charton for making glasses named after me. I never thought I'd see the day. I never imagined I'd see the day that anything was named after me that I could actually wear. But this is a dream come true, so thank you. And I'll find out more about when these are available and let you know, but for now, I feel like I'm rocking some exclusive frames here. They actually say Lynn on the inside. Can you see that? I'll just wear all of them. I'll just have to put them all on. Cool. Can you come over here? Good boy. Sit. Down. Good boy. Stay. Good boy. All right, while Miles eats, I want to show you a little project that we did last night. We have all of these very tough t-shirts, very rough and tough t-shirts, you know, brand new t-shirts, and we want to make them softer and feel more vintage and lived in. So last night, I'll show you, we took a bunch of t-shirts that were tough and stiff and used a pumice stone and rubbed the entire thing everywhere, the sleeves and the neck and inside and out. And then we put it into a bucket with fabric softener and water, equal parts, 1 cup of fabric softener per shirt. It's a lot of fabric softener. And then we stuck it in a bucket and let it sit overnight. Oh my God, so much fabric softener. So like, for example, this is a Tribe Called Quest shirt that no one wants to wear a stiff Tribe Called Quest shirt, right? So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna rinse all of them out and then wash them because they are just full of fabric softener. By the way, I love this bucket. Sorry, it's a little loud. It collapses. I mean, it's wet right now, so, but it collapses down, and I'm getting water everywhere. This entire floor's wet. All right, moment of truth. How soft are these? They're feeling pretty soft. I wasn't expecting miracles, and I did not get miracles, but these shirts are definitely more worn and soft. Like this one had been washed a lot. As you can see, it's already started to go there in the writing. The real test is that Tribe Called Quest shirt. Okay, I definitely feel like, I wish I had done like a before, I didn't, but this one feels definitely much softer. I think my husband will have to confirm when he's home from work, but definitely less tough. Welcome to my office floor. I just took off all of my nail polish and my toenail polish. I'm gonna try something new. I was sent by Dr. Dana. I don't know if Dr. Dana actually sent this to me, but Dr. Dana's company has a nail renewal system. And when they offered to send this to me, I was having some real issues with my nails. They were peeling, they were cracking. I was using nail strengtheners and buffers and taking collagen supplements, and they looked good when things were on top of them, but once I took my nail polish off, or the hardeners off, it would look like a mess. And what I found, and I'm not a doctor, but I started doing nothing to them and taking vitamin D supplements, because my sister-in-law, who is a nurse, said that when she has nail issues, she ups her vitamin D. I did not go get my blood levels tested or anything, but maybe you should if that's what you're going to do. Again, not a doctor, not Dr. Dana. When I said yes to this, it was when my nails were a little bit of a mess, and then they finally arrived, and now my nails are great. And so I'm a little bit scared, I'll be honest, to do anything to them. But for the sake of Dr. Dana and all of you out there, I'm gonna try it. I don't do anything to my cuticles, pushing them back and cutting them, because I've found that that is where the danger happens. Whenever I get my cuticles cut, no matter what, I don't know why I didn't learn this lesson early on with my very first manicure, but it always ends up infected. It always does. And so I have given up. I don't push them back because I don't like the way those look. I don't cut them. I just let them be their thick little selves. And then if I have like a little, what are these called? Like little hangnails, like a little bit of dead skin. I'm not giving you the finger. I'm showing you my little bit of extra skin there. Then I just snip that off, but I'm not even gonna do that right now. File dry natural nails to desired length. Doesn't say what direction, so do you hear that squeak? You twist the pen until a droplet appears. I see a droplet. I don't know if you can see a droplet, but I see a droplet. Glycolic prepping. Glycolic prepping. This is the priming wand. Priming wand looks, step 2 looks a lot like step 1. I skipped to 3. Did I? I'm so confused. We got a package from Peepers, which is an eyeglass company. I did not need new sunglasses myself, but Abe does. So I did like a virtual try on for him online, and the glasses have arrived, and Abe is going to try them on right now.
Okay. I have to take off my regular glasses.
Yes, you do.
Oh.
Oh, there's a sticker on it. There's many stickers on it.
You know, usually glasses just fold like that. These can go out a little bit.
Oh, that is nice.
Waka, waka.
Great.
So they don't feel like they're going to snap, which is cool. And I think my head's a little wide.
If anyone's wondering what that sound is, it's water boiling, so pretty soon you might hear it go off.
Wow. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. This is what I look like wearing Nantucket Sun Black. And I'll put the photo of what it looked like when I tried it on virtually. Okay, I can't do that. Those look good too.
These are a little more comfortable for my wide head.
It looks good. I like the way this one looks a lot. This looks like, yeah, more your traditional Abe Foreman Greenwald sunglasses. Miles just has left, or else I'd put some Peepers on him too. And we tried this all on and the water still hasn't boiled. Let me try those on. Oh, I really like these.
Okay.
These ones feel lighter than those. Ah!
Hooray!
That was exciting. I have my first in-person audition in a very long time. This is for a commercial. I'm bending down because I don't have enough time to set up my tripod. This is for a mom. No, wait, let's see. There's gotta be more. Mom, interesting look, modern, upscale casual. All right, let's do this. Okay, I know that it said modern, and I look like I'm in the 70s here with a high-waisted bell-bottom situation and a turtleneck, but this is what I'm going with because this is what I got. The turtleneck is like a mustard, very soft sweater from Abercrombie. The jeans are made well, and I'm gonna do my hair and makeup now. Okay, you're balanced very precariously on top of a picture frame. Olaplex number 9. This is like a heat protector. Just work that in throughout. You know what? I'm actually pretty happy with my hair as is, but I'll put just a couple waves in since the heating iron is already, the curling iron I mean, is already heated up. By the way, this is the best curling iron on earth. It's the T3 something something. I'll link it below. And it is by far the only curling iron that will hold a curl and give me like beautiful waves. I've tried many other curling irons in the past, ones that have been well reviewed, didn't do it for me. So spent a little extra on a sale. This goes on sale quite often. It might even be on sale right now. I find that it is just worth every penny. I will say that I do have a little bit of a technique, which is that I start in the middle, I start to curl it, and then using the handle, I just sort of work its way down and clamp it in, like slowly like that, and then I curl up. I know there's other techniques, but this is the one that works for me. Like there's ones that I've seen where there's like a flick of the wrist. I don't get it. And I'm gonna shut up now so that I can get this done. How's it look in the back? Now, to get the little flyaways down, I use Tancho, which was introduced to me by a Japanese hair and makeup artist way back in the day before TikTok even was a thing. And she told me that her grandfather used it. And I think of her every single time I use this. This is only my second bottle container of this because it lasts forever. It does smell kind of like floral, but not that. It says lavender, but does not smell like lavender to me at all. You just take like a teeny bit, rub it between, it gets really sticky, and then just paste it down. And honestly, it is the only thing that keeps my flyaways. I have a cowlick here and I have a cowlick back there. It's the only thing that keeps it down. I don't use hairspray or anything, even though I have it. I just find that it makes my hair sticky, and honestly, I don't like to wash my hair very often, so I just like it to be as soft as possible. Okay, so here it is. Modern mom, broken hanger. Yeah, let's see if I book this commercial. That's too close. That's way too close. Way too close. Why is it so close? I just got a new camera and I am testing it out. This is the camera without any sound. Why is it so close? Oh, because I have the... This is the new camera. What do we think? I don't have the mic plugged in. Now the microphone has been plugged in, and okay, we can start. We have the new, what is this? It's on a tripod. This is the tripod. This is the camera, the Sony digital camera ZV-1. It is supposed to be the vlogging camera. And since I'm vlogging a lot more now, I was like, gotta get a better camera. Now this is the auto intelligent mode, intelligently auto, and I guess to test it out, I should show you some stuff, huh? What do I have to show you? I made a t-shirt. I created a t-shirt. So basically what happened was I found a sweatshirt the other day from my movie, I Will Make You Mine. When I had that sweatshirt on, I was like, I wonder if it's still available online. So I went online, I looked, it was available, and then I was like, I wonder if I should just make a new t-shirt for Gen X Taste, my blog. So I made one. Ba-ba-ba! It's a white t-shirt. It's size medium. And let me put it on. I look like I'm gonna wash your car outside. All right, here it is. Let me back up. Back up, back up. How's sound back here, huh? Does it sound good? Great sleeping shirt. And it smells like a brand new car. Here it is tucked in. What do you think? I'll leave the link down below. Living life in 2023, just making t-shirts, making videos, and making no money. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoy this camera test / shirt unveiling, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.